All right, hi everybody. And as you can see, we are in a special location today. We're at my mom and dad's house. So you see a cute little picture right there? So handsome, I know, so handsome, so cute. We are doing the summer 2022 Curator box. Curator? I can't pronounce this word. I'm so sorry. Here you guys go. This box right here. Now, we're going to get into the controversy after we do the unboxing. And I'm going to get my mom's opinion on it once I start explaining everything. So let's get to the summer box that I ordered in May.
Oh, it just got here?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so for those who don't know, this box is $9.95, so $100 per season, and $350 if you buy it for the entire year. So it's one of the most expensive boxes out there. The first thing we have is the Lighthearted Sunny Riley sunscreen, and let's see, it's SPF 30 for those who want to know, because I know what a lot of people SPF means a lot. And I've gotten sunburned recently, and it was not fun. My mom was like, "Oh, honey, you gotta wear that sunblock. I don't know what you were doing, what you were thinking, but I operated underneath that stupid thing of black people don't get sunburned."
Not true.
Not true. We do get sunburned. It just takes a little bit longer.
Yeah.
So here it is, the tubing. You want to try some?
Yes.
Okay. So it's a little pinkish tint to it. It's not greasy at all.
No, not at all. It absorbs pretty quickly.
Yeah. And it doesn't leave any weird film on you.
No, and it doesn't stink, most of all.
Oh, don't they be stinky?
Yeah.
It ain't right to smell that way.
Yeah.
You go past this. It's like, I'm glad you protected, but you funky.
Yeah, this wouldn't clash with your perfume or anything. It's
I like
really
it.
nice and light.
Yes, and let's see. This one values at $35.
And it's not chalky.
Yes.
Wait, $35? Is this the size you would get for $35?
Yes.
Okay.
So 1.5 ounces for $35. Alrighty then.
I don't know. That's a lot of money.
That's a lot of money for sunscreen when I know I go to CVS. I'll deal with a smell.
Yeah.
For $7.99.
I don't know.
Let's just say I'm glad it's in the box, because me spending that much money would not happen. Okay, next we have a bracelet, I believe. This is,
Necklace.
yes, it's a necklace.
Oh, that's really cute.
So you can hold that up to the camera.
What is
for
this?
them. It's a star in the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It looks like a star in the sun. It's cute. It's cute. It's lightweight.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not too heavy.
I like it.
Let's get a closer look on this design. So here's the design on the star. And that is the design on the sun.
And it has little crystals.
Yeah, little pretty crystals on it.
Yeah.
This is the Jennifer Miller Sunburst Charm necklace, and it's valued at $195.
Cute.
Yes.
Cute. I like it.
I do too.
Is it gold?
It's probably gold plated. If I look it up, it's probably gonna tell me that it's gold plated and not gold through and through.
And how much is it?
$195.
Shop around, y'all. Okay. Nice. I love jewelry. Nice.
Yes, she is a jewelry person. I can never go wrong with jewelry.
That's right. If it's shiny, I like it.
And she said there's no such thing as gaudy when it comes to diamonds.
No. Are you kidding me?
That's why I love this woman. I aspire to be like her when I grow up. Okay, so this is a Walter Baker. I believe this is a shawl.
I like it. This could be like for the beach. It could be a
Yes.
wrap. It's really light.
It's very lightweight.
Yeah, I like it.
Then it has a little fringes on the end, so I would probably think it's something you either want to dry clean or put this in a laundry bag.
Definitely.
If you want to wash it so these tassels don't come apart.
Yeah, this is a nice little cover up.
Yes, and it has a little tie up right there.
Yeah.
I've never seen anybody ever tie it up.
Yeah. You can wear those.
Yeah, I would actually wear this indoors.
Yeah,
Just to come downstairs real quick and be comfy.
that's really cute. I like that.
And it's a really nice length. So for me, this will probably come to my knee.
Mm-hmm.
So 5'5", as you guys know. But I actually like this one. And this is the Walter Baker Coupe.
What is it?
Acapulco
Mm-hmm.
Kaftan. And Ivory, and it is valued at $198. Woo, that is pricey.
I like it.
I like it too. I think it's really pretty. All right. I was wondering how this is going to travel. This is the hat. So I was really wondering how you're going to fit a whole hat in here. So they wrapped it up in a tube.
Yeah. Oh, go to hell hat.
I love that expression, the go to hell hat. Do I have it on backwards? I'm going to have it on backwards. I'm so bad at hats, you guys.
This is the back.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
But it has these pointy things right here. I thought the pointy things go in the front.
I don't know. I think it's just been caved in.
Yeah.
There's a big tag right here.
Oh, see, this is my thing. Is like they shouldn't have balled it up.
Well,
It'll get its radiated shape.
if you had a wig head to put it on, it probably.
You know, I could probably borrow one from Leslie. She got plenty of wig heads.
Yeah.
This is the Rachel Zoe Collection Riviera hat, and it's valued at $80.
I like it. Hat and this on
With
the
my
beach.
gold necklace.
What? Nice. Sunscreen, you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready to go.
Beach ready.
It's one more thing.
Beach box.
It's a beach box. It is a beach box. Now, if it came when it was supposed to, yeah, it's all done. It's better than it was this morning because I sweated out working out.
I'm surprised you just didn't do your summer hair wash and go.
I know.
She has such beautiful natural hair.
It's so curly. They see it. So this is our Rachel Zoe bag. Y'all know in every single one of these boxes, we get a really cute bag from Rachel Zoe. The one that I told you guys was too small, I gave it to her, and she loves it.
Love it.
I mean, she seen my keys. She knows they're a hazard.
Love
my
that
whole
bag.
life. So
I use it often.
Yes. And inside there is this cute pocket right here, so you can throw your keys, your phone. This is actually a good size bag. So a lot of stuff is fitting here now. Yeah, and it's deep too. So I actually like this bag a lot. It's a nice thick canvas bag. So yes, this is a beach bag. Put your towels, put your drinks in here. You're going down to the beach with this. So this was all a beach bag, and this bag is valued at $175. Don't look at me like that. You're making me feel bad about my life choices.
Y'all, come on. It's a bag. It's not a leather bag.
It is a canvas bag. So let's add this up. You have the shawl for $198. You have the charm necklace for $195. Then we have the bag for $175. And we have the hat, which is in my hand right here, for $80. So I'm looking at an image, and this thing is really small. And we have the sunscreen for $35. That makes the value of this box $683. So I paid $100 for a $600 box. Now, would I use everything in this bag? I would use everything but this hat. I need to like get it straightened out for a little bit. And like I said, I've never really been a person who wears hats too often. But we'll see. Maybe if I borrow wig head.
Would love that hat.
Leslie would love it. I'm giving it to Leslie. I'm gonna see her
She
today.
would love that hat.
I'm gonna give it to her. She has plenty of wig heads to put this on to stretch this out. Do I feel like this box is worth it? Yes. Here's where the controversy comes in. As I told you guys, I ordered this box in early May. They took my money out of my account the very next day. Then I didn't hear from them for months. The next thing I know, I go to their Instagram. I'm like, I see people going, where's my box? I ordered this box. I ordered if I go on vacation. I never heard from you guys. You guys haven't said anything. And all they kept doing is getting information back from people going, oh, we're sorry. Something got held up. We're holding up the boxes. And next thing I know, I get an email saying, "Hey, you need to make your fall selections." I didn't get a summer box. How about you give me the box I paid for? And so when I sent them an email saying, "Hey, I feel that it's wrong to charge me for fall when I still haven't received summer," they gave me a $15 credit to their store. Now, mind you, this is not $15 off my next box. This is $15 off to a separate store. So now I have to make a whole nother purchase. And if you've ever been to their store, there is nothing in there for $15. They sell Balenciaga.
Okay.
They sell Michael Kors. They sell Louis Vuitton. They don't sell anything that's going to give me without me spending $100 more.
Wow.
And so I did not feel like that was fair. If they would have said we're giving you $15 off your next box, I would have let it go. But this is the second time this box has been late. The last box was several months old by the time I got it. I said to them, "You know what? I can't anymore. So this is the last time you will see this box on this channel." Because number one, they just didn't have the customer service. They didn't let us know. And this isn't the first time we've had an issue with the box. Last year, they had a product not come, but they sent you a note saying this product wasn't in and we did not want the box to be late. So we would send it in your next box. And I was cool with that because I still got the product and I still got my box on time. But the fact you guys aren't really relaying the issue that's going on and not telling us what's late or having us make a decision on what we want to do, it just was not good customer service. Now, how do you think they should have handled that?
Plenty of communication, and don't charge until you ship.
Thank you. What is with these companies?
Yeah.
They charge you before they even ship.
That makes no sense at all.
No, Mom, when I hit purchase, it was out of my account the next day. And that was in May. And I'm just now getting this box.
Yeah.
Even though I got
cancel.
a $99 box with $600 worth of stuff in it.
I would cancel.
Yeah, and so I did.
Yeah.
And so I am going to keep following them on Instagram. Maybe next season they'll be better and I'll pick them up in maybe a year. But I need a new box and maybe you guys can help me out a little bit. Tell me what you want to see. Waste my money. Don't waste your money. Waste my money. You see me waste my money. This ain't nothing new. Okay? She'll waste my money in a heartbeat.
What? No.
All right, you guys.
Your dad's money. Don't tell him.
I'll make sure he don't see this.
Actually, I grabbed his credit card this morning when I ran out.
Now.
You know.
Oh my gosh. All right, you guys. In life, there's black and white. But I finally have 2 shades of gray now. Like you want me. Bye, guys.